guys, so today's video is going to be a super simple tutorial on this look. It's kind of like my everyday kind of look. It's super easy and I thought I'd incorporate one of my favorite highlights, which is Over the Moon by Colourpop, and it's this amazing purple highlight. This look is just super glowy, so if you guys are interested in it and all the glitter that is going on, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So to begin, I'm going to take this primer by Laura Geller. It's the Spackle primer, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. It leaves me feeling so velvety. And then I'm going to put some Ultra Strobe cream by Makeup Revolution on. I'm just going to apply this to the high points of my cheeks, and then I'm just going to blend it out with a beauty blender, spreading it like all over my face, just because it gives you a nice glowy like base. It's just such a pretty like golden sheen to it. It's so cute, I love it. For foundation, I'm going to take the Ex1 Invisiwear Foundation, and this is in the shade 4.0. This is a beautiful foundation. It's your skin but better than your skin, and it's very easy to build, so you can go for a medium coverage with it, but then you can also build up to full. That's why I absolutely adore this foundation. It just looks so good and flawless on me. So for concealer, I'm taking the Essence Camouflage concealer. This is in the shade Soft Beige. I'm just going to apply this to my under eyes for highlighting, and then some on my nose, some on my forehead, and just under where my the hollows of my cheeks are, just to give it a little bit more of a highlighted and defined look, because it's like anti-contour, but we're still going to contour obviously. Then I'm just going to take a beauty blender and then blend everything out, just so it all looks so, you know, what's the word, all nice and blended in. It just looks nice and flawless, and yeah, that's what the beauty blender does, makes your skin look so pretty. So to set my under eyes and everywhere else that I feel like needs setting, I'm taking this powder by e.l.f. and it's in the shade Banana, and I'm using the brush from Morphe, which is the G35, and just applying this to my under eyes. Obviously, what else? I don't know what I'm talking about sometimes, and this is one of those times. So I'm going to take this Sun Washed bronzer by Nars. It's in the shade Laguna. I purchased this just because my actual Laguna bronzer was running out, and I thought I needed a replacement, and thought, why not, let's try this out. It's a little bit more subtle, so you kind of have to build it up if you want to like get the intensity of the actual Laguna bronzer, but I absolutely love it. It just gives you a nice sun-kissed glowy look. For bronzer, for blush, we're going into my favourite blusher, and this is Luminoso by Milani. It's their baked blush. If only I could talk. And then Colourpop's, what is this? Over the Moon highlight, which is obviously my favourite at the moment. It's got a beautiful purple sheen. It's a super shock product, and I'm just applying this with my fingers. I feel like the application with your fingers is so much better than with a brush, because, you know, the warmth and contact with skin makes it just apply more nicely. And I'm also applying this to my brow bones, and then I'm going to take a brush and apply some to my nose. Oh, I forgot about the inner corners. Obviously we're going to apply some to the inner corners. So with a brush, I'm just applying it to the tip of my nose and a little bit on my bridge, and then I'm going to apply some to my Cupid's bow, just to make everything look a little extra poppin'. So for eyeshadow, I'm going into the Too Faced Semi-Sweet palette, and I'm just taking the shade Peanut Butter, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. But first I'm going to start off with a crease, and taking a little bit of the colour on my brush into my brow bone, to the front of my brow. This just obviously for me creates a more seamless look. And then I'm going to apply some of the shadow onto my lid, because why not, we can't be bothered to add extra colours. And then I'm taking some more and just applying this to my lower lash line. So next I'm going into the shade Pink Sugar, and I'm just going to take this on my finger and apply it all over my lid. It's a super beautiful pink shimmery colour. It's so cute. And for my brows, I am taking the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. Firstly, I'm going to comb my brows up upwards, and then I'm just going to take a liner or brow brush, whatever you want to call it, and draw a line underneath my brow just where I need it to be filled, and then I'm going to start to brush the product upwards to create a more fuller look. And then I'm just going to take the brush again, adding a tiny bit of product, just colouring in everywhere that needs to be coloured in to make my brow look, you know, like my brow. For mascara, I'm taking the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I absolutely adore this mascara, and I'm not sure why I always like add it into this, like such long clips of me putting mascara on, but you guys know the drill. So for my lips, I'm going to take a Lumiere by Colourpop, and I'm just going to apply this all over. This is a cream formula, and then I am going to go into Cookie. I think it's Cookie. This is one of the matte formulas, and I'm just going to like apply this to the center of my lips just to give it more of a like voluptuous look. And then we're going to go into gloss, because we all know I love gloss, and this is Tight Fit by Colourpop, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lips, clearly. Then we're going to take the Cover FX setting spray, and I'm going to spray my face with that. So yeah. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is like my everyday kind of glowy, super glowy look. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.